YouTuber'sın ha. Ne güzel. Çek abi çek. Bizi de çek. Adana Kebab. Come from Turkey.
Abi İngilizce konuşma, Türkçe konuş.
Tamam abi, Türkçe konuşuyoruz zaten. Adana diye oradan geliyor ismi. Normalde Adana bir şehir, yani Türkiye'de bir city. Orada yapılan yemek. Genelde bunu yiyorlar oradaki insanlar.
Okay, so I'm here at the Turkish stall. The way he's making Turkish kebab, the famous Turkish kebab. You can see how he's preparing the screw, and then he's going to tell me that how they are making the Turkish kebab.
Okay. Anyway, hello everyone. We are going to put inside mince. As you can see. So inside, including sheep meat, 30%, and 7% also includes bull. What we are saying, yes, bull, yes. And male and the female mixing we are. But important thing, it's being a unique kebab. This presentation, like that, as you can see. That's
So it's 30% sheep, and the remaining 30% is the other one.
yes. Also including fat, important
Including
thing.
fat.
Yes.
That's important thing.
Yes, it's flowering together softly. Taste. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So you are mixing with the spices and everything.
Yes.
So you mix the spices in the afternoon. You give some time for the marination.
But let me tell you one thing. In fact, only meat and red chili and salt. That's all.
Oh, red
Yes.
chili, meat, and salt.
It's
That's the
coming.
only three ingredients in Turkish kebab, and this is you can see that how famous it is. He's saying that the major thing is the sheep bones, and then sheep meat and everything is very important, and then 30% of the sheep meat, and the remaining one is for the fat and stuff. That's how he's making it so important and so delicious. So let us have it now.
Okay.
भाई ये फेमस जो है ना टर्की का है फेमस अडाना कबाब सबसे ज़्यादा मशहूर है टर्की में। सारे लोग उसको बहुत पसंद करते हैं, खाते बड़े शौक से, मज़े से। तो ये हम यहाँ मलावी में लगा रहे हैं अभी। ज़बरदस्त अडाना कबाब, ये इसकी हो गई तैयार।